How to lighten your dark inner thighs naturally. Dark skin on the inner thighs is an embarrassing issue for both men and women. This problem even affects people who have fair skin. Obese people are more prone to having dark inner thighs than others because their thighs tend to rub against each other as they walk or exercise. Some common causes include friction or excessive sweating between the thighs, exposure to harmful ultraviolet, UV, sun rays, use of chemical-enriched products, side effects of certain medications, shaving or using other bikini hair removal techniques, a hormonal imbalance, polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, or diabetes. In addition, the inner thighs are one of the most ignored body parts, and people do not give much importance to their care. If you wish to brighten up your thighs to look good in your shorts and skirts, you can do it easily at home. There are many natural and safe ways to lighten the skin. Unless otherwise noted, use these remedies until you are satisfied with the result. Here are the top 10 ways to lighten your dark inner thighs naturally. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has nourishing as well as antioxidant properties that help repair your skin and encourage skin rejuvenation. It can even alleviate hyperpigmentation, fade dark skin patches, and restore your skin's original color. Extract pure aloe vera gel from the leaf and massage it directly on the affected skin. Allow it to sit for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Repeat once or twice daily for fast results. Alternatively, mix a few drops of almond oil in 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply this mixture on your inner thighs and massage gently until it is absorbed into your skin. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse your skin with water. You can use this pack 2 times a day. 2. Yogurt. Yogurt is a very gentle bleaching agent that can lighten the color of your inner thighs thanks to its lactic acid. Plus, its zinc content combats sunburn. Gently rub some plain yogurt on your inner thighs. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this simple treatment once daily. Alternatively, mix the juice of 1/2 lemon with 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt, preferably sour. Add 1/2 teaspoon each of turmeric and gram flour. Apply it on the affected skin and allow it to dry. With little water on your hands, gently rub off the pack. Rinse your thighs with warm water. Use this pack 2 or 3 times a week. 3. Lemon. The acidic property of lemon works as a natural bleaching agent for dark skin. The high vitamin C content also encourages new cell growth and is very good for your skin complexion. Apply lemon juice to your dark inner thigh using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Repeat 2 or 3 times per week. Those who have sensitive skin must dilute the lemon juice with water. Alternatively, combine 1 tablespoon each of lemon juice and glycerin. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water and mix well. Apply this pack on your inner thighs before going to bed. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off with warm water the next morning. Do this once daily. As lemon can dry out your skin, apply a moisturizer after using these remedies. Note: avoid applying lemon on recently waxed or shaved thighs, or if there are cuts. 4. Oatmeal. To lighten the complexion of your dark thighs, regular exfoliation of dead skin cells is necessary. For exfoliation, oatmeal is one of the best ingredients you can use at home. Exfoliating also leaves the skin supple and soft. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with enough tomato juice to make a thick paste. Apply this paste on the thighs, allow it to sit for 20 minutes, and then rub it gently using a little water to scrub off the dead skin. Finally, rinse it off with cold water. Do this 2 or 3 times a week. Another option is to mix a few drops of lemon juice and a pinch of turmeric in 1 teaspoon of oatmeal powder. Use it as mentioned above. 5. Cucumbers. The natural bleaching property of cucumbers can help lighten your dark inner thighs. In addition, several components in cucumbers help repair skin cells and remove dead skin cells. The soothing nature of cucumbers suits all skin types. Gently rub cucumber slices or cucumber juice on your thighs for 10 minutes. Wait 5 minutes, then rinse it off with water. Repeat once or twice daily. Alternatively, mix equal amounts of cucumber juice and lemon juice. Stir in a little turmeric and sandalwood powder. Apply it on your thighs for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this once daily. 6. Coconut oil. Coconut oil also helps lighten hyperpigmentation and revitalizes the skin. Plus, its antioxidant and moisturizing properties helps you maintain soft and younger-looking skin. 1. Mix 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 2. Apply this solution on your inner thighs and massage gently for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Wait another 5 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. 4. Use this treatment every other day. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric inhibits melanin production, so you can use it to treat skin discoloration and maintain an even skin tone. Mix a little turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of milk cream. Rub it gently on your inner thighs. Allow it to dry before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Use this remedy once daily. Alternatively, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder with enough orange juice to make a paste. Apply it on your dark inner thighs and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Use warm water to remove the paste. Do this once daily. 8. Baking soda. Baking soda can also improve the dark complexion of your inner thighs. It works as an exfoliating agent to remove sun-damaged skin cells that have darkened. 1. Mix 1 tablespoon each of baking soda and milk or water to make a paste. 2. Add a little honey and mix well. 3. Apply it on your thighs and rub gently in circular motions for a couple of minutes. 4. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. 5. Repeat every other day. 9. Almonds. The vitamin E in almonds helps brighten your skin tone. You can use both almonds and almond oil to maintain an even tone and keep your skin healthy. Prepare a paste with 1 to 2 tablespoons of coarsely powdered almonds and 1 tablespoon each of milk powder and honey. Apply it on the dark inner thighs. Allow it to dry, then rub off the paste with wet fingers using circular motions. Rinse your skin with cold water. Do this 2 to 4 times a week. Alternatively, soak a few almonds in water overnight. The next morning, grind the almonds into a paste. Add a little honey to the paste and apply it on your thighs. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then gently scrub off the paste using wet hands. Rinse your thighs with cold water. Do this once or twice a week. Also, massage your thighs with warm almond oil for about 5 minutes daily before going to bed. 10. Orange peels. Orange peels contain vitamin C that works as a natural bleaching agent. They also contain exfoliating properties that help get rid of dead or damaged skin cells. Put 1 cup of orange peels in the sun for a few days to dry out. Grind the dried peels into a powder. Put 2 teaspoons of the powder in a bowl and add enough rose water to make a thick paste. Mix in some honey. Apply this paste on your inner thighs and wait 15 to 20 minutes. Gently scrub off the paste with your wet hands, then rinse the area with cold water. Repeat 2 or 3 times a week. Additional tips. Take proper care of your skin, especially in the inner thigh area, by regularly washing and scrubbing it to prevent accumulation of dirt and dead skin cells. Use a chemical-free soap and soft sponge to wash your thighs. Avoid wearing rough jeans that can irritate the skin when the material rubs against your thighs. Wear comfortable clothes made from breathable materials to prevent skin irritation. Limit shaving, as regular shaving over a period of time can result in dark inner thighs. Fight obesity, as it can contribute to prevent skin discoloration on your inner thighs due to friction. Eat lots of fresh fruits and vegetables to nourish your skin from within. Drink enough water daily to prevent dehydration and dry skin. Do not forget to apply moisturizer regularly on your thighs. Protect your thighs from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen throughout the year. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.